So escape on Hack the Box. Ascertainment, how are you doing, man? Good to see you here. Let's go and start off with a rust scan here. It might not be quite up and running just yet, because it did just start up, and it is a Windows machine, so, you know, give it 2 years to start. What did I just do there? No, I just got rid of the A. I was like, wait a minute. Something's gone. I'm doing great, as always. There we go. All right, so it looks like we got a domain controller here. Okay, we got port 88 up, right? Kerberos 445. Looks like we have SM or LDAP running. So let's go ahead and make a directory LDAP. See if we do an LDAP domain dump. See if we get some easy wins here. Doesn't look like we're getting an easy win with that. Let's go ahead and try SMB. Let's try one more time with that. It seemed like it got lost there. Okay, not getting any easy wins with that then. All right, looks like we can't even start to try to enumerate that one. Let's go ahead and look at SMB. Looks like we have public. That's not normal. Can we get in there? We can. Okay, SQL Server procedures. Okay, let's go ahead and get that. Could just do an mget star, huh? No, can't do that. Probably because there's space in it. Can we not get that? Like this? We have to do it like that. There we go. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and move that guy first off. Let's see if we can get him again. Or is it going to be like that again? All right, whatever. Let's see if we can, we'll use Firefox to open up because it is PDF, so Firefox should be able to open it. Let's see what we got here. Since last year, we've got quite a few accidents with our SQL servers. Hate to see it. Looking at you, Ryan. That's also my name, so I apologize. Sorry, I do just select star and 1 or 1 equals 1. This is the DC. Why you should even mock? Why should you even put a mock instance on the DC? Because that's how I roll. Because it's funny, especially when it pisses you off. Okay. Let's see. Do we have like a username and password right through that here? Live server clone the DC. Tower reboot is the DC. Okay. The second reason behind this document is when no senior can be available for juniors. Well, they should have listed all this shit at the very beginning then. You know? If you're going to be talking trash, you don't put that in a document that everyone's going to get. Come on now, dude. Come on. If you're going to talk trash, you talk to their face. All right, cool. We get public user and guest user can't write 1. So we do have a MS SQL server, it looks like. SQL server, right? And we're on Windows, so it's most likely MS SQL server. So let's go ahead and see if we can't use PS. And did we see that whenever we did our rust scan? No. Was it not up and right in time? Let's try a rust scan again, see if we can see. Or is it supposed to be hidden? It's just not supposed to. It's supposed to be like, haha. Let's see. PS PQ PS PQ. Is that it? Okay. I have notes on this. I don't know why I'm trying to figure it out. Windows. No, I think it's actually a databases, I believe. MS SQL. That's MS SQL client. Okay, so I just hate myself. Okay, I can see what I did there. All right, so I just hate myself. All right, I think it's what is the thing for MySQL? SQSH? 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 Tech S. We'll do that. Whoops, that's not what I wanted. So let's see if we can't get into this thing. There's no username and there's no password, right? Well, no, there was, excuse me. Public user. I think I already have an idea of what to do next. Because if the guy's called guest user can't write one, but we can get around that. We don't know what the domain name is. Let's go and get the domain name. I wonder if it's just wonder if we just need to reset it or something like that, the box. Because so far there's no MS SQL server up. So right now it's lying to us. Alright, let's say SQL. So we'll try that. It said negative. Previous told me I was a dumbass, didn't it? What am I doing wrong here? Oh, that's what I'm doing wrong. Wee. Okay. Still can't get anything. Probably because there's no socket actually open, huh? Because it's not actually running, huh? When do you guys take down the SQL server? Okay. Let's go ahead and reset the box. Let's see if that helps out at all. Oh, God. It's always faster just to terminate it. While it's resetting, let's go ahead and try another run scan. Oh, I'm seeing more ports. Let's go ahead and stop that reset. No, I can't stop the reset. Somebody go vote. Of course we see more ports, you know. But none of those are MS SQL still, right? Tell us 55426. I mean, it should be on 1433, right? So, and we're not seeing that anywhere on there. So, it's resetting like right now. Hopefully this gets that MS SQL server back up and running again. We'll go ahead and we'll start up a ping on it. And hopefully we get something there for, well, we might as well echo SQL.htb into domain name .text. Oh, we're getting pings. I'm just going to try hop right in. I'm just kidding. It's obviously not going to work right now. Well, if we don't get this MS SQL server, this might be a really early day. Because 1433 is not showing up at all. Unless that was that one on that super high port there. This guy can't connect to him. That's why we're getting that error. Say like, hey, like there's no socket. What are you talking about? So seems like we lost him again. It's not my SE host. This could be a little bit difficult, isn't it? Let's go ahead and delete actually a lot of this stuff in here. While that thing started up, we'll do something, you know. Oh, that rocket chat one, I actually got that to work. I forgot to tell you guys about that. So that was a while ago. But yeah, I actually got that guy to. I found another exploit where the guy didn't have like a password in there. He already said like, hey, I already know the password, so don't try to get this password. Only work on one password. And that worked really well. 1433. Let's go. All right, now we're getting somewhere. Okay. Now, once we're in here, right? Now we got to do all of our stuff. Actually, I might have this all in Obsidian. Because I did mess with this box a little bit before. Boom. Okay. XP command shell. We can try that. Go. Nope, not allowed to do that. Okay, permission denied. Okay, so XP permission denied. That's okay. I know what to do. I know what to do. We're never denied, right? I don't allow be denied. XP dir tree. Did I do that the wrong way? Oh, probably I should probably put brackets around it, huh? We should get. Oh, you fucker! I told you I did it for like a little bit there. There we go. If you didn't see what I just did, I just did attack V over here, which then allows it to be verbose. All right, let's go ahead and grab this, and we'll echo this. And this is about as far as I got last time. Didn't really do anything after this. Oh. Format equals net NTLM. Version 2. What'd you say, John the Ripper? I believe it is, actually. Let's go and try it one more time. Huh. Oh, probably because that's not a real thing. Not NTLM v2. There we go. Okay. Why aren't you cracking it there, John the Ripper? Because I cracked it last time. That's why I'm wondering why it's not cracking it. So I know that 100% should work. Oh, probably because you were using fast track. How come nobody told me that? Nobody said, hey, use it fast. I was wondering why. I was like, I know it's fast, but geez, I was like, man, that's quick. Okay, let's try that. Like I said, this is about as far as I would actually remember reading that password at all. So this is about as far as I got last time. Let's go with echo SQL service. Yeah, but I didn't even echo in anything into user pass.txt. All right, let's go ahead and try to evil win RM in, I guess. What's this box's IP address again? Hey, thanks a lot for following, Nathan. 0002. SQL service, all right. And then TAC P, we got Reggie 1234 Ronnie. All right, so we can get in. Cool. You want to see his privileges? Nothing cool. Down here for privileges. Certificate service. Okay. That doesn't look like anything too cool. Okay. Let's see what other users are on the machine. How about that? So we also have a James Roberts, Nicole Thompson, Tom Henn, Brandon Brown, that are Ryan Cooper, and everyone's pissed off at Ryan. So let's go and check him out. See if we can. We cannot. Mobile, can we see him his desktop? We cannot. All right. Then we also have that public still, right? And that's like where our share is at, right? Okay, nothing in there so far. Okay, it doesn't look like there's anything really in here. So, huh. Okay. One second. He made a fake instance, right? Let's try some easy ones first. Okay. I'm not using... Oh, I think I have an Apache server up. All right, cool. There we go. Oh, whoops. I'm running the internet. Literally the entire internet. All right. On my Power Up PS1, if you guys just see it to start to go, that's because it already says invoke all checks at the bottom, just so you know. So if you were to put Power PS1 on there, you still have to run your invoke all checks if you don't have it set up like that. I just went to it, did invoke all checks at the very bottom. Okay, that's not going to help us out at all because the user is SQL servers. Okay, so nothing in there so far. So let's check out where is the server log. How about that? Where are you? Program volumes, Microsoft server. Okay. Oh, okay. CD and SQL server. Might not even be where we thought it was. CD and logs. All right, cool. Oh, login failed for user SQL. Reason password not matched for the login provided. Okay. So we might be able to find his login. Login failed for user Nuclear Mosquito 3. Looks like he typed in his password where his username should have been, which is actually not. That happens a lot. So can we evil winner I'm in is Ryan Cooper? Let me see what this box is all about. I didn't even look at what this box is all about. Oh God, it doesn't have anything. Oh God. Oh God. Oh no. Okay. Let's go ahead and try to put that. We'll say, what's this box called again? Crap. Escape. And then we'll go on and we'll echo Ryan Cooper. Cooper. Is that correct? There's nuclear mosquito 3. Yeah, Cooper. We think that's what it is. If it's not, then we'll just delete it. All right. I feel like we're on a higher level now. It's cool. Yes, we are on a high level. I don't know. That's pretty easy. That part is pretty easy, like right there. As long as you know about XP Dirt Tree. As long as you know about XP Dirt Tree, it's really easy. But then again, if you know about the hack, it's not very difficult, you know. All right. Remote management users, huh? Okay. I wonder how Power Up will work with this guy. Remember, each user has different privileges. So every single time you get onto a new user, you want to run, commands, especially with Windows stuff, commands that you already ran. Because it's not like limps or like SUID bits or something like that. You know what I'm saying? Each user can have different privileges. So make sure you get on a new user. Okay, cool. Power up. And it looks like he's got the same exact type of permissions. Okay, so he didn't get anywhere with that. So that's a crappy day for us. I was kind of hoping we'd get somewhere with that one, like right there. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Does anyone know if this is normal? Certificate service. Can I type that into WinRM though? I mean, this is a version of PowerShell, but can I actually type that in? I am doing hack the box, Astro. How you doing? This is a freaking attack. Yeah. No releases, huh? No releases, huh? So we got to compile this thing. I have to compile this and then there we go for Ghost Pack. Compiled. S7, you know if that's normal? I feel like I know a lot about Windows, but my God, that one was freaking. I usually don't think I see that, but it's just sitting there with everything else. Like, yeah, I'm completely normal. So that's certified to its thing. All right. Certified with a capital C, right? Yep. What's up, Jay? How you doing? Okay. I've never really used this before. Show all permissions, quiet. Let's go ahead and actually. All right, let's go ahead and try to look this up. Hmm. Let's see if we can do that. Okay. We're going to start taking notes here. All right. Let's go ahead and sorry, this one might be a little bit quieter here because I'm using my brain. Because it looks like we have a vulnerable certificate. Okay. All right. There's that. Now we can do certify. That must be something else. That must be like a Python one, like right there. Request, okay. Alt name local admin. Do I just make up a name? Is it one of those ones where am I gonna be using like Rubius in the end here, and I'm just gonna kind of just make up whoever I want, or do I need an actual AD user to actually impersonate, like administrator? We should probably just type in administrator, huh? We'll do something like that. We'll just type in to abuse this to impersonate administrator. One could run. Yeah, I'm just gonna actually change that to administrator, like right there. Okay. The DC is obviously a little bit different here, right? As far as I would think. So I think it would be DC SQL HTB, right? I would think at least. Like that's what would make sense to me. So I think it should be something like this, like right here. So let's go ahead and I'm going to put this command in here. Hey, awesome, Jay. Congratulations. I think it would be the full name, right? What do we go with? Well, it's most likely the full name of the certificate. That's what makes sense. Okay, there's that. Right, let's go ahead and let's go ahead and throw this. Whoops. I want you. Let's go ahead and throw this over here. So CA is going to equal that, right? I don't know what we need to name the template, like right there. I don't know if template could just stay as like a variable template, or if we actually need to actually put in a proper template. Variable certificate templates, okay. User authentication, okay. So we should probably put that as the template, right? Oh, this is it's a cool box so far. Okay, so there's the template name, I believe. User authentication, right? And then alternate name should just be administrator, I believe. Because we have administrator on this machine, right? Yeah, SQL administrator. So owner, okay. So let's where'd Obsidian go? There it is. All right, I think that should be good, like right there. Let's go ahead and try that down here now. It's doing something. Looks like we got a certificate. I don't know about you, but it looks like we got ourselves a little certificate like right here now, doesn't it? Then we'll go ahead and we'll just show that like right here, because I'm pretty sure that's a command I have to put in next. And then, so if we go back up to here, oh, now it's Rubius. But I'm pretty sure I have to actually put in that guy like right down here first. Pretty sure I have to do something like this first. Come on, go to the terminal. There we go. Convert with this, right? So I think I need to actually copy that certificate, bring it back to me, and then from there, or do I do that with Rubius? Can I do this from, oh damn, look at that, huh? I can do that from my Kali machine. I can do all this from my Kali machine. We'll try that afterwards. Maybe. See, try out how much time we have. Okay. I think I need to do the Rubius next. And then from there, copy that over into the machine itself. Cert.pem. So it's printing out in PEM, but I need it in PFX. So should I just copy this whole cert? Just this whole thing? And then just put that over here? Cert.pem. And then do this like right here. And put that in PFX format. Enter export password. Enter. Okay, so we do have a PFX cert now. Okay. I think I'm supposed to do it like that. I'm going to take a... I'm just going to take a quick print screen of this. Say copy both RSA certs. And then if that's wrong, then we'll just delete afterwards. Hey, thanks a lot for the follow there, Astro. Okay, now let's go ahead and head back over to here. And I kind of want to cat that cert.pem now. Or actually sublime text that cert.pem. Just so I can show I have both of them in here. Okay. There's that. And then from here, I don't think we need this up anymore. From here, what we want to do is we want to go ahead and use that command that we just did, right, to make it cert.pfx. So then Rubius can read it, right? And now I have to bring that back over to that machine, I believe. Because I feel like I feel like I've... Okay. I think to be able to do this with Rubius now, I have to bring it back to that machine, right? Because we're obviously using cert.pfx here, right? And we didn't put a password on it. Because that's the type of people that we are. Yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead and get Rubius on this thing. Don't I have Rubius? Oh, greptech I. I'm about to say, I was like, wait a second. Oh, it's already up. Okay. I feel like I also need a cert.pfx over here, right? Okay. So now we have Rubius and that cert.pfx back over here, right? Okay. Now from here, I need to do that Rubius command. Now ours is going to obviously be a little bit different, right? We're going to ask for a ticket for user administrator, certificate, whatever, and we didn't put a password on there, so ours will be cert. So for here, we're going to do we didn't put a password on ours. We called it cert.pfx. Hopefully we didn't have to. User is going to be administrator, right? And we're going to pass the ticket. You're 100% correct, so I got to do period slash. Ask for a ticket, grand ticket. Okay. Ticket successfully imported. Let's freaking go. All right, there we go. Ticket.kirby. I remember all this stuff from freaking Certified Red Team Professional. Oh my God. Oh, Jesus. If you just want to, if you're wondering, like, if you just want to just hate yourself, Certified Red Team Professional. All right. If you're like, yeah, I'm pretty good at hacking, Certified Red Team Professional. Okay, it's going to let you know that you're a dumbass and you suck at everything that you do. That's what it does. All right. So now we have that, right? Actually, one of the attacks I did on there, I still have yet to see. But that's because we can't get a forest. And my mic's going to die soon. So this is actually a good thing that we're almost done. Okay, so now we have that. We have Rubius back on there, right? Now I think I could just... I feel like I should be able to get his hash. I feel like I should have gotten his hash like right there. Wait, it's Rubius, right? So... Wait, I passed the ticket. I might have to log out and log back in. Because I passed the ticket. Okay, I don't think I could do that with this one like right here. I don't think I could pass the ticket like this. I think I actually need to do a oh man, my mic's gonna die soon. Probably should have plugged it in. I think I need to do something like this. I don't think I can do a pass the ticket. I think I can get the credentials though, because it's Rubius, so I can run the commands out, right? So I should be able to do a / get credentials. Is it get credentials or get creds? Oh god, get credentials. Credentials. The fuck do you spell credentials? Oh no. Credentials. Credentials. Let's try that. Hopefully we don't have a problem because we already used this certificate. Let's go! Okay, that like right there should now be my hash. Let's freaking go! CD in the desktop, CD desktop, type root.txt. Let's go! That's what I'm freaking talking about, man. Yeah, because if we didn't pass the ticket, we would have had to talk to the domain controller for it to be able to come back to us and then do something. So that means that we would have had to send it across the network. But we're already attached to the domain controller. So that's why I was like, wait, for boxes like these, like that doesn't really work very well. But if we can grab the hash, that can work. So, man, that was a good one. Especially with the mic dying, I can hear beeping in my head. Boop, 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 boop. And I'm like, oh my God, we have to move faster here. We're about to have a micless stream. I'll say that was a 5. I'll say that's a 5. Woo. I'm kind of sweating like a little bit. It might be because I have a hoodie on. But I'm sweating like a little bit. All right. That was a good box. Props to that guy. That was a good freaking box, like right there. All right. Now let's go ahead and raid somebody. Actually, did I get... Okay, I'm still script kidding here, so I want to see if I got off to hacker after that. How do I go to... It's like a dashboard or anything like that? How do I do this? How do I look at what I am? Home? Oh, we got to hacker. I mean, that's a big deal to me because I don't really ever do the live machines. So I always do the retired stuff because I really only do it when I'm streaming. So that's a big deal for me. Let's go